Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we're working here on a Ford Focus MK3 generation 2012 to 2018 guys. And if you're trying to find the fuse for the radio antenna, we'll show you where to look. Okay, if you have a GPS as well, that will be helpful video. Radio, check this one as well. Now we'll have more than 200 videos guys on this car. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can guys, so please subscribe. Videos will be coming all the time. All we need from you is give a like and subscribe to the channel guys for all the work we do. So the radio antenna fuse is located behind the glove box, and you do not have to remove actually the glove box. The only reason why we have ours removed is so we can gain a little bit more room, but you don't have to do that. Now that cover on the bottom, you need to remove it. So those plastic things, squish here on each side and pull them down. Okay, just like that. And when you come down, you will see your body control module and all the fuses as well. Now, what do we need to do? Okay, this is for the GPS antenna, mostly. Okay, you will have a fuse. In our case, it's missing. Okay, fuse number 81. Okay, right here. This one will be the fuse for the radio antenna, guys. Now, if you have a satellite radio or GPS, this one will be the antenna fuse there. So, hopefully, guys, hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you that are trying to solve that problem. Please give a like, guys, subscribe to the channel, and see you guys next time.